This video is presented by www.maxhologram.com. What are holographic stickers? A hologram is an image that has been printed in such a way that it appears to be three-dimensional, even though it's on a 2D surface. Security labels usually use holographic foil for their 3D effects. What is hologram seal? Hologram seals are the most effective and commonly used product for brand authentication and brand promotion. Holograms are very easy to apply and use, just remove and paste. How does a hologram sticker work? One half of the beam bounces off a mirror, hits the object, and reflects onto the photographic plate inside which the hologram will be created. This is called the object beam. A hologram forms where the two beams meet up in the plate. Double-click to edit. Can hologram be copied? The technology for making holograms from flat artwork or from solid models is widely known. A hologram made by one manufacturer can be approximately replicated by a counterfeiter by simply recreating the artwork, then making a hologram from the artwork. Can you print a hologram? Printing a hologram usually involves some sort of special materials or lenses, but a company called maxhologram.com can make you custom print hologram labels. What is the basic principle of hologram? Holography is based on the principle of interference. A hologram captures the interference pattern between two or more beams of coherent light, i.e. laser light. One beam is shown directly on the recording medium and acts as a reference to the light scattered from the illuminated scene. What are holograms used for today? Holography is a photographic technique that records the light scattered from an object and then presents it in a way that appears three-dimensional. Barcodes on items such as food and home appliances are also holograms, used to make sure nothing gets stolen. Why are holograms used on credit cards? Not all holograms are the same. The purpose of a security hologram is to make forgery difficult. It is used not only on credit cards, but also on the banknotes of several nations, on passports and on high-quality products, such as electronics. A 2D hologram has a background and foreground. How is a hologram produced? Holograms are made by using lasers. If you shine a laser through a prism, the entire beam bends together, since all of its waves are the same size. Holograms are made by using a single laser beam. The beam is then split into two beams by a special lens. What is holographic technology? Holography is a photographic technique that records the light scattered from an object and then presents it in a way that appears three-dimensional. Holograms pop up in movies such as Star Wars and Iron Man, but the technology has not quite caught up to movie magic yet. Do holograms work in daylight? They shine special white light or laser light onto or through holograms. The projected light produces bright 2 or 3-dimensional images. While plain daylight lets you see some simple holograms, true 3D images require laser-based holographic projectors. What is holographic printing? A holographic print is a rendition of a hologram on a flat surface, producing 3D, three-dimensional effects when viewed. A holographic print differs from a traditional hologram in that the print does not require any special lighting arrangements to yield the 3D effect. What is the difference between a hologram and a hologram? Pattern difference. Hologram produced by holography is a positive pattern, while conventional photography, a negative pattern, is produced on the film. The difference in dimensions. Photography is the 2D view of a 3D object, while in holography, the viewer can see the image of the original object completely in 3D form. What is the hologram sticker printing process? Hologram stickers are flat adhesive labels that give the visual effect of containing a 3D image. They are often used for security purposes, as hologram sticker printing is a difficult process that can only be replicated using the original master hologram. To do this, specialist equipment is required, so as a result many counterfeiters are deterred when they see a hologram label. Holograms are made on a glass plate that has been previously treated with iron oxide before being coated with photoresist. The material then creates a chemical reaction with the set light waves that are used to make the hologram. Commercial hologram manufacturers commonly use a variety of laser types, including ruby, helium-cadmium and krypton-argon ion. The technical part: the illumination of a physical object reflects light onto the photoresist surface. At the same time, the light is projected onto the surface. The meeting of these two beams of light results in a reaction with the photosensitive surface, creating an image of the object. This exposure can take as little as a second and anywhere up to a minute. Even the slightest movement can result in a blurred image, so it's extremely important that everything is carefully controlled throughout the hologram creation process. Uses for holographic labels. Hologram stickers have many different uses and are most commonly used for security reasons. They can also be used on official documentation to help people quickly authenticate them, as well as on membership cards, gift vouchers, and any products that require protection from counterfeiting. Not only do holograms provide added security, they can also add an eye-catching feature that quickly lends perceived value to a product. They can be used to add the finishing touch to complete packaging, as well as enhancing a company's image and adding another feature for shelf appeal. As a long-standing member of the International Hologram Manufacturers Association, our hologram solutions can work to protect your assets and meet all your individual security concerns. Please visit us on website www.maxhologram.com, Amazon, search for Dealamax, eBay stores.ebay.com, Scriptimax. Any questions, send us message on support@scriptimax.com or support@maxhologram.com.